A major storm event was reported to have hit several areas in the city of Paris, France, on Monday, September 5, 2022. Météo-France recorded a gust of 91 km per hour in Etampes, in the Paris suburbs, and 94 km per hour in Bailleul-le-Soc, Oise. However, the emergency services did not report significant damage, with only about 20 damaged house roofs due to falling trees or hailstones in the Yvelines. In Essonne, a tree fell on a catenary of Line D of the RER caused a traffic stop. Whether in the streets of Paris or in the metro, the rain has infiltrated everywhere, making road traffic and public transport complicated. Accompanied by strong gusts of wind, it caused flooding in the capital, particularly in the Porte de Clichy district, where water seeped into the metro station. In the Yvelines, several residents also sent videos of the storm, in particular in Paris and Yvelines, Etampes and Rambouillet.